Okay, welcome back to D1 Trade. I'm D1. Today is January the 2nd, 2026, the first trading day of 2026, New Year. 9:58 a.m. PST. So if you are the first time visitor, this is this channel is for the recording for my personal reflection on my day trading. So it not only records my trading actions in real time, but it also records my what I'm thinking and my mental status and psychology situation. So this is the afternoon session again. We'll see volatility happens in the morning. So from big time frame in the previous um the trading day, then it's like a down and flag and down and big drop here. Yeah, we get below we blow the cow for this huge drop, but it's just this huge is just half. So which means risk management is essential. We cannot use complementary order to make sure to rescue every single order, and the complementary order strategy, exit strategy, it will blow the cow once we see this straight down market situation for the last day. Yeah, I'm talking about this one. So, I'm deciding to change my situation. Oh, we can see here, there is some bump, there is some cap, something. I'm not sure if it's for the new year, but market's back and gets rejected here, which is a proven. Yeah, here is a proven resistance. And today market open is trying to challenge this seller defense and get rejected and drop sharply. And I guess the same story for years is the proven point is here. So this part is probably like liquidity sweep or like retest back to this sideway. So in the NQ that the retest is aligned to this previous retest, and it exceeds this retest and align with the previous sideway liquidity sweep. Gets rejected here. Same story, but it's just different rendering manner, different expression, but same story. Get rejected by a previous proven resistance and drop, and even not even half. You can drop further and rise, rejected, keep drawing down. Let's see the bigger picture. I guess I need time frame. Daily. What about daily? Oh, it looks like there is not that much daily. July. So maybe I need to see 4 hour. Okay, then this is December. The whole month. Rise something and flag rise and upward momentum keeps decreasing, get rejected 4 times, flag. So this is the whole December and rise again and drop something. So probably like there will be some retest back to here. This is a proven resistance. That's one possible, but I'm not sure when this retest will begin. So I'll wait for the hour strategy candle, but I don't find any like proven like critical price here. I mean the most recent is here. Most recent here is far away from here. So if we have an upward engulfing candle, I'm not sure because engulfing candle, if it happens in a non-critical price level, that it cannot be the evidence of the confirmation signal. So probably I will wait no matter what, retest here and show a um downward engulfing. But this is a 4-hour chart. So if we look at this, and it may not happen in the New York session, right before market close. So probably I will not have a trade. This is not forex. I don't have time to sit here for the whole day. I only trade like 3 to 4 hours, 2 to 3 hours per day. So let's look at, so this is the December market. So maybe it's too big to look at this. Let's look at 5 minute. Get back to 15 minute here. That's too far away from us. So it looks like some rejection here sideways and it bounced back. And let's look at 5 minute. Okay, five sideways, something like this. Now it close above. So let's draw the trend line. What's that? Okay, this is a proven critical price level. Then what's this? I guess it's just too much of this. So but we see a proven support level here. Let's see ES. ES shows okay, fair of lower low. Fair of lower low. And this is the critical price level. And this is another critical price level. In NQ, it's clear. This is the trend line. Oh, click here. Trend line. So connects the previous support and later it becomes persistence. Okay. Let me see. Trend line. Maybe I should connect to here. This is this looks like a triangle sideways for now. So if you think you're gonna bounce back, then you should go long at this support level. But if you think this is just resistance, this is just consolidation, you will probably like continue going down. Then we should just go short at here. So that's why we need to look at a bigger time frame. Uh, I don't know. Even look at 30 minutes does not give me any hint because it looks like it can be a beginning of a retest. It shows another steep sharp drop and maybe some retest, some meaningful retest and back to here. But look at here. It's like 933 to 670. Almost 300 points, 280 something. 80. 800. 500. Already 500. Sharp draw. Then probably is overstretch. That's the signal I got from 30-minute time frame. Um, Minute, 15 minutes. There's a little bit overstretch. Same thing as we see here. This is too big. But keep in mind, it will have a sideway and drop something drop. So and increase the lower low for now. So probably you see ES is already break this sideway area and show strong momentum to keep going down. 2 more minutes. Let's wait for the compression. I don't want to go short at the bottom, actually. We'll see. ESS breakout and shows the breakout something, but NQ. What about NQ? I think I can sell something here. Very be rejected. See, you just want to see if, because this is leading, you just want to see if it close underneath here and don't get rejected. If it's getting rejected, that's not good. Okay, it does not get rejected and back to this sideways something. And let's see this candle. If it's upward and continue sideways, then probably need to quit. Oh yeah, maybe we need to quit. We'll see how you perceive here. Don't conclude too early. Oh, you get rejected. I like this rejection as a seller. Let's see if ES is gonna cheat us again because it shows some momentum to the downside and uh um it already closed underneath this sideway area and buyers cannot push back. You can think of this as a retest back to the sideway. This is a micro something. Keep in mind this is 5 minute chart, so it's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 minutes. Let's see. Yes. Um Out of here, I guess I need to scope it a little bigger. But I would like to see more of a bigger picture. We'll see. Never greedy. Let's just see realize very practical take profit here. And if you really want to break out this trend line, there's a resistance here and there's a proven resistance here. So before you hit the resistance, then you just take profit and see the next step. Oh, never be greedy. Hmm. We'll see. Maybe he reaches this. If he break, he just reach this resistance. Okay, it's coming close. So guess what? Maybe I need to set a trading stop loss here to make sure I will not become a lose trade from a winning trade. It almost hits my take profit. It's just some retest at this time. Listen, see. I just watch ES. ES is very regular, like sideways, and then break stop outside and retest something very standard. Standard like textbook. So we'll see this candle being close underneath here and create a lower low. Sellers is working hard, but some resistance is right here. Remember, this is a previous sideway, so some battle, but the final resistance will be here. Some buyer defense are here, but when you arrive here, then probably like arrive here. This is practical, something we can expect. Oh, actually, I can set a stop loss, set a limit order here. I set it here because it aligns with this one. This is the middle line. Probably like the retest will get to here. That's what I think, but it just retest to here. See this candle. If it keeps going down, then it will probably trigger my profit. But if it back to upside, so probably I need to set a trading stop loss here, just in case. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so it break this sideways. It break this sideways. There are some retest, but eventually break this sideways, and we finish our first trade, winning trade of the new year. Yay! Take profit gets triggered. So we'll see here. Um, for ES, it's not that obvious. You can think of this as a triangle, but I was thinking this is trade channel. Then around somewhere around the bottom, then trying to get back. But this is for ES. It's like a sideway in a parallel manner, equal range, slightly narrow down the range. Oh, actually, is something like, yeah, slightly upward. So it's not completely parallel, but it's still like they don't show any symptom for aggregate somewhere. But if you want to trade NQ, it's not easy because the range becomes smaller and smaller. So in this way, probably I need to trade ES because I can expect somewhere here. But for NQ, if I go long, then I can only expect somewhere here. We'll see. Wait for the completion for this candle and see if we will continue to get rejection by this sideway area. If not, then probably I can go long and expect somewhere here. Okay, 2 more minutes. Let's look at this candle. Do not conclude that this is gonna be something. Keep in mind this rejection. So some seller defense available at ENA line. Uh-oh. We'll see. If we brace this something into the upside, then we can probably like set a limit order somewhere here. Not gonna trade NQ because for NQ, okay, it reaches the top. But for ES, okay, close above, make sure something, and this is the order block. I just set the order block, and I could probably miss. I could probably miss this trade because just way too long. But it's okay. I'm not feeling safe to go long here. Uh, I'm just not feeling safe. So I set at the entry of the order block, at the upper bound of the order block. See how it reacts. 1 more minute. So we actually set a very nice take profit. Then you take a profit at the lower point. Not greedy. In the new year, I just told myself, no, do not be greedy. I need to look at 3 minutes. Okay, you back. Is mm-hmm. 5 minutes trying to retest, and we will see. So my stop loss will be probably here, underneath this trend line. Will it retest? In 3 minutes. Yes. Not sure how it goes. It looks like continue to go up, and this ENA line performs. We'll see. I guess it just keep going up. So it will probably retest here. For ES, it reaches here. NQ will probably break operator here. I'm not sure. But never do the market order. Especially this time at this sideways resistance. The order in the middle. If you retest here, maybe it means a reversal. Here is a retest. You already retest something. Oh, it got rejected by ENA 21. And maybe it's not to moving downward. I put a order. So let's look at 5 minute and 3 minute. Oh, I can trigger. I just want to drag it here. After I switch into 3 minute, I want to drag it to somewhere here. Anyway. Oh. Long rejection line. So that means this trend line is still effective. It continues sideways. So I probably will complement something here. This is too rush. I just want to drag it here, but before I drag it, I get triggered. I just switch to, let's look at here if we get rejected. Okay, get rejected by yin line. That's still acceptable. Trying to go up. And this is just retest the sideways area. So we probably set a stop loss somewhere at the other block. Now maybe complementary and set a stop loss here. So this is the previous support becomes further resistance. That's not looking good. See if this candle can engulf the previous sideway. If it can engulf, this is a star, and this is like a little bit, but not cover like 0.6 of this bullish candle. And looks like buyer defense happened at yen line. That's great. Something here. Let me see, where is it? Okay, at this line. Target a profit at this line. I'm not sure if it's too early to talk about take profit, but if it breaks this trend line, then this is some realistic goal. But it looks like yes, continue down. Oh my God. It retests to other block. Get rejected other block. Same thing for yes. But yes, see if we close underneath here. But I will set a rescue order here. See if he gets triggered. And 3 minute. And 5 minute, yes, shows some rejection around here. So stick to my principle. Rescue order should be set always at a proven critical price level. Okay, fail to create a lower low. Lower low. So maybe it's in a flag to go up, then the realistic take profit will be here. Uh Yeah, somewhere around here. It will exceed the previous high a little bit, and going forward is a little bit upward channel before it stop drop down, I guess. See if this candle engulf this or get rejected by yin and line. That's not good. That's not looking good. And for 5 minutes, the downward candle continues. It's still downward. It's still downward. See, maybe I just need to enter in the order, set order in 3 minute chart, and look at the situation in 5 minute chart. Let's see. We just assume that this trend line is effective. It rejects so strong. So this time when trigger, it got spun back. So we'll add a rescue order here. But if we close, we will exit the trade. We will leave the trade. Never gamble. But here the hypothesis is just the trend line is still effective. Maybe I just need to set a stop loss somewhere here. See how the ENA line defense rejects the buyer this time. Oh, things not correct. ENA line, trend line is still effective. Maybe I should drag the trend line a little bit conservative, like somewhere here. Then my rescue order is here. Okay, fair enough. So this long rejection is a standard reverse, but now it becomes sideways here. That means the seller defense is from here to here. Seller defense is here. So higher low, higher low. So even this standard reverse, then it has deeply test something like this and get rejected here. Something. So this is not something big, but I don't know because the sideways aggregate here. So I assume you will keep moving upward before you finalize the decision. Who gonna be? Oh, but what's this momentum? What's this momentum? ES is trying to challenge the lower bound again. Looks like it's trying to going down. If this is effective, then it should bounce back. from here. But if we continue down, then maybe I should not add increase position, but just quit. But think of it, it is attempting that it breaks the trend line, but be, become rejected. So hold it on. See. I don't like a sideways here. That means the next candle will probably like stretch it outside and break this. I prefer that. Okay, triggers my complementary and back and get me an opportunity to leave the trade. Somebody is defending here. Okay, the trend line is still effective. The trend line is effective as of now. One more minute, we'll see this one. But it looks like it's weaker and weaker. See, this is so strong. But here, it's not that strong. The most recent bearish candle is so strong. Look at the big picture. It's still sideways, though we cannot conclude anything. It just feels like, okay, the downward momentum becomes weaker and weaker. Maybe there's some upside. Okay, one more candle. See. Oh, yes, want to continue go down. Keep challenging the lower bound. So far, the NQ3 mini is just retest ENA9. Retest. This is so far the retest. It does not mean a reversal. Oh God. Hmm. See yes. If yes will bounce back. If it's sideways at the lower bound, that's not a good sign. And next one, if it break out, it will trigger this one. It will trigger my complementary. And probably my complementary should be more conservative. Or I should just quit, leave the trade. See, look at yes. How it reacts. NQ is sideways and is aggregating to the peak of this triangle sideways. While ES, it does not show any signal. It looks like a little bit flat. So we should bump to here again. That's what I assume. Bump to here again. And when you bump to here, then NQ will probably bump to here. Or maybe here. This is very realistic. Okay, it bounced back. Finally, this channel is effective. So we'll see. 374, 374. Look at ES engulf, show strong momentum, come back to here. That's great. That's great. So I can change this to stop loss. That means this is still effective. Look at ES keep sideways, and maybe NQ is still like sideways. Oh, where is NQ? NQ is sideways like flag, something here. From bigger picture, I think this is reasonable. See how it reacts to this trend line. If he rejects again. I think this is very strong and engulf all of this. But I'm not sure because this is still effective. For now, it looks like it's still effective. And ES got rejected by ENA 21. Oops, that means this flag sideways somewhere around here. Now retest to ENA 9. See if ENA 9 can become a new defense. Because it has crossed the ENA, both ENA line cross above ENA 21. That's what we love to see. This is for 3 minutes. In 5 minutes, ENA 9 is still under ENA 21 and it does not close above ENA 21. On 3 minutes, it close. CES. Oh, get engulfed. For ES 5 minutes is engulfed. That's not a good sign. That means it continue to go down. Engulf. So this is a liquidity speed. And so many people just go long from here. I should be more conservative to set the order somewhere around here in 3 minute chart. Then, yeah, if I set order in 3 minute chart, I'll probably set it here. Let's look at this. Then the one single candle just cross the whole range of this sideways. So the range becomes smaller and smaller. And for ES, maybe. Okay, not creating a lower low. So there are some chances it bounce back. But we'll see for ES. There is some trend line here. It's gonna determine who's gonna win. Oh, but if the seller gonna win, then probably I should not take anything here. I should instead take a profit, set a stop loss here. But this looks like the risk reward ratio is too big. I suffer too much risk for the little small gain. So maybe here. Well, well, then if it bounce back, it will probably here. But if it go down, is somewhere here. Oh, I don't like to go long at the upper side of a sideways range. That the stop loss distance is so huge and loss is big. I would verify this is effective. I would like to go long here, and I should be more patient. Hmm. Oh, look at yes. What happened? I just forget to update the number. See if we create continue something, not get rejected. Engulf this one. That means finally after this battle, buy a speed. Oh, from ES that looks fine. We get a strong rejection. Not that strong, but it's already leave the sideway area. Oh, Doom, finally. We see what we got. We just need to be more patient and enter into here. After seeing this, enter in the trade, long trade here. And set a stop loss here. Oh, 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 it got rejected. This trend line is still effective. Go. Let's see. And for yes, that means this trend line is still effective. It get rejected by this trend line. Mm. So here is just some sideway and then breakout. This is like some sideway and eventually bean. It looks like for now it looks like bean, but still get rejected. Maybe ES just sideway around here and we'll decide who gonna win. I'll see this candle very close. It looks like it's just something like here. After you arrive here, if it does not get rejected, it just sideway or even breakout. That means uptrend confirmed. Okay, 3 more minutes. We'll see this 5 minute candle for 5 minutes. Okay, it still shows some cup, something. Yeah, this is reasonable. Uh, Stop loss. Take profit here, reasonable. Take profit here, reasonable. Then we just wait. Still, it looks like it still get rejected. Oh, 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 oh. See if this time it works. Defense still works. Hmm. I will set a complimentary order here. But this is like, why? A mini? You kidding me? But this is like, it starts to break out to the downside. You kidding me? Here it will get rejected, I guess. Get rejected again. Now keep going down. Oh, things are not good. What's my stop loss strategy? I would like to see a bump back. So what's the next critical price level? No, nobody knows where's the bottom. It looks like it keeps going down. In this way, we are okay, gets rejected. Gets rejected here. We'll see. Is it great? Will it bounce back? If it does not bounce back, I will probably need to flat. Oh, this bearish candle is so huge. If it creates a lower low, I will probably quit. I will not increase something because this is already the limit of my loss. Going forward, I cannot afford. Let's look at this one. Probably will retest to the sideways, then I'll quit. Okay, let's see this one. 40, 40. And let's move it to the sideways. If we back test to here, somewhere between yen and 9 and 21, then I'll quit. But it looks like it's more possible that it keeps going down because this shows very strong seller momentum. Eventually, seller win. Sideways, it continue to go down. Nobody want to buy in the new year. If it's like 50,000 account, I already blow. The account size is too big, but this is like 150K size. Oh, things are not looking good. We'll see. As long as it does not create a lower low, then the buyer defense still effective. I don't like the rescue mode or survival mode. Okay, I can set a order here. Sell and like 40. This is my limit. But I should not move my stop loss and maybe quit here. That's the best. That's the best option for me. Oh, what happened? Things bump up. So you're gonna back test to the upper side. Something here. This is the this is the so eventually it triggers some big buyers, big buying order. So big buying order comes in. Let's see this candle. I guess we can move our stop loss to somewhere here. It should not break here. Oh, 5 minutes starts to fall back. This is a retest. On 3 minutes, still engulfing. Will you continue go up? Yes. It looks like this is the new support, proven support. And we just want to see how strong is this support because this selling momentum, short momentum is too strong. This is like gambling. The size is too big, too big. Okay, sideways, out the strong, sideways, then probably like keep going down. I'm not sure. Sometimes it just bounce back. Sometimes it just bounce back. Let's see. Oh, this long rejection, hopeless. It's gonna continue to go down, I think. It does not even retest to ENA9. I thought it would retest ENA9 or somewhere in the middle. Or maybe it retest to here, this line. You don't wanna retest? New 3 minute candle. Okay, this is a rejection and this reduce. Here is just retest. After it golf here, that means something. That means Dow chain continues. Oh, yes, already shows Dow chain. I'm not sure. For Intel, it's still in a range. For ES, it's already trying to break out. It's still in the range. Not gonna reverse. Hmm. Yeah, the only mistake is like one, I too rush for the entry order. Second, remove my stop loss. I should stop loss here. Then everything should be recoverable. But now it's like great loss, and this is like gambling. Now it's like gambling. And risk reward ratio is 1.3. I suffer like $3,000 for maybe 1,000. 1,000 profit, and chances that I'm gonna lose 3,000. What's going on? I don't even want to. I don't even dare to reverse. I'm not sure. This is still. This looks like a new sideway. One more minute. We'll see this candle. Oops. What? For what about ES? I almost want to give up. This is like gambling. But let's see this one. Okay, this looks like consolidation and keeps going up. If it keeps going up, then probably like it will arrive here. If yes, back to here, then probably it will back to here. But I want to quit this. I don't want to be greedy. I want to quit this. Because the position is too big and it's intimidating. Let's look at this candle. Maybe just back to here. Maybe just back to here. Let's just look at this candle. Maybe just retest to here. A little bit above yen 21. Oh, you get rejected by yen 21. So probably I just need to set a yen 21. No greedy. We'll see. Because this looks like a consolidation and push it up. So upward momentum, it looks like a buyer momentum reduce. Something. It should not retest to here. It should not retest to here. Otherwise, it's resume. Downtrend resume. Gets rejected by yen 21, huh? Something here. Oh, you can never come up. And I should probably like move my stop loss here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So this is my only opportunity to exit. I don't take it. Now downtrend reduce. Okay, yes. It's still sideways right there. Looks like this is also a consolidation candle. And look at this one. So I can move the stop loss a little bit. Reduce my loss. The goal is to reduce my loss. Mhm. Uh, 5 minutes. Okay, 2 more minutes. Uh, see if ES can create can continue this uptrend. And for me, I just trying to reduce my loss when there's a downtrend review. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. At least I will not lose. Oh my God, scare me. Almost, 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 almost. Come on. ENA 21. Okay. Okay, scare me. Almost lost 3,000. What do I get? This is like I don't like play this game, or I don't like play it this way. Um 800. This is like too scale. Too scale, something like this. I should wait for all this signal and then making a trade. Okay, now it breaks. It breaks. Just downward liquidity and embrace. So what? I'm not feeling comfortable with this huge fair value gap. I will see. Maybe it's double top, falls back. We will see. I'm not feeling regret that I don't move my trigger, take profit trigger somewhere here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't like this huge. I would like to see something like this engulfing. Okay, I know way back, and I set a long order here, and then I set a stop loss here. That's why I'm feeling comfortable. So stick to this rule. But on the other hand, if this is liquidity is be like flag and backward, I will see this one. I will see also see here. Oh, this is mental toughness. This is a liquidity sweep and force back. Bye. I can try. Okay, it back to this level. So be cautious. Just drag it back to here. You know what? Actually, I should wait for this is a micro like break and retest, but I should wait for bigger time frame break and retest because this one will be if you retest, it will probably go down something. So just to cancel. We should wait for the bigger time frame break retest going up. Wow, this liquidity switch is this candle is too intimidating. Everybody want to go short. I also think it's gonna continue to go short. I almost gave up, but somehow it just yeah, let it break and wait for the retest. Now this is sideways and pretending a liquidity swing before it bounces back. So I think this is gonna be bounce back. I need to confirm this after it breaks this one. Yeah, at least break this level. Keep going. Break this level and then retest. We'll wait for the resume recharge. But but if you get rejected here again, that means difficult. This is not for me. This setup is not for me. Yeah, you need to engulf the previous bullish candle to prove that okay, Dow trend resume. But if you engulf, then the proven support is here. You consume most of the range. So I'm expecting some small something, and which is way easier to be engulfed. If it's something huge like this, oh my god. Oh my god. We'll see. Yes, want to go out. But it does not break, so it does not mean anything. Cannot conclude anything. Okay, yes, keep breaking out. Maybe I can buy something here, and the stop loss will be here. Or maybe I will lose. Okay, I lose this trade. How come suddenly appears this huge and this fight back huge, equally huge, even bigger? This is not tradable for me. I like this small something to show some chance, but this attempted that is like uptrend. See, engulfing, uptrend and downtrend, something like this. So I just afraid. So today you just play these tricks very often. So yeah, engulfing and now backward. So I just concerned that this is essentially this is a sideways market. Oh, this is a sideways market. Wait a minute. So I should probably redraw. If we see it this way, that makes more sense. We see the bottom. Yeah, it's here. Why the bottom is here? But if we use a horizontal line, then we don't see the bottom. But if we look at this channel, we see the bottom. Then I don't enter into here. That's good. So it breaks out. Good. We'll see. Now for ES is if you use a horizontal price line, it reaches the resistance. So we'll see here. And same thing, it reaches the resistance level, proven resistance level. So we'll see. We are looking for confirmation to go down. Or otherwise, well, this is awkward. If we go down, then probably back test the trend channel upper bound or somewhere in the middle, like 0.6. If you go up, if you go long, then the stop loss will be somewhere here. That's intimidating. So just wait for, okay, now we see ENI cross ENI 21. It cross. So it's like uptrend, looking for opportunity to go long. I just go long too early, wait for the retest. Oh, after you break out and you sideways, let's wait for the confirmation of this. So if we break out and it's sideways around the upper bound, that means it's consolidation and probably will go up. Continue to go up. Let's look at this one. Wait for the compression. If in within the same candle, it just continue to go up, then this trade is not for me. But I'm expecting to see a couple of sideways. So I see the lower bound and I see a set the limit order at the lower bound and continue up, go up. So wait for 1 or 2 candles, 5-minute candles, and we'll see. But for ES, it's awkward. Is at the same line, at the same level. So even if back forth, like it's sideways here, see sideways here, it does not necessarily mean that you will continue to go out. You will probably like you'll probably like it's just battle. Buyers and sellers are battling. Let's see 3 minute. If 3 minute, okay, 3 minute has already. Then probably I can buy. I can try to buy, set a buy order here. And if it creates a higher high, breakout, ends up breakout. Back test to this trend line. Okay. And sideways around here. But if it break out to the downside, I will quit. If you finish this reverse something, finish the reverse, I will quit. Instead, I will do a short trade around here and expecting somewhere here. That means this channel is continue. It's just a little bit outside. Here. Oh, it looks like lower low. So it's like flag pattern, something like this. Something like this, and before it goes up. We will see. Look at this candle, 5 minute, yes. Okay, retest. This is the end of the retest. Otherwise, if it keeps falling, I'll quit. But this still sideways. You'll see this candle. See if it close underneath. It seems it's close. Oh no. Okay. Bounce back. So retest trend line. That's textbook. Retest trend line and then keep going up. So this is a new proven support. Let's look at 5 minutes. If it breaks here, then probably like this is the you'll see ES. Maybe ES just continue sideways. Oh, ES just break out. See if it retests. This way. Okay, the rejection generally happens here. Can you create a higher high? Then I will move the any order here. Oh, it looks like it's creating a higher high. Okay, let me just put my order and see if you retest to get me on board. Oh, leave the area. Oh, but I don't miss the trade. I'm fine. I still have five micro contract position. Will you retest and get me on board? Mm-hmm. It looks like continue up, and the next level will be here. So it's sideways around here and continue up. Okay, look at 5 minute. This shows very strong upside. What about almost trigger my take profit. But yes, it's already reached the upper bound and shows some rejection. Seller defense. Maybe I just need to move my take profit and something here. So it's not easy to adjust. Let me see. Yeah, it's something here. So I should not. Instead, I should put the limit order here. Make sure I don't lose. Sell. At least I cannot lose. I mean, this size uncomfortable. Mm. Yeah, get the upper bound. And yes, shows some rejection. And probably I need to quit. Seller step in. Trading my stop loss a little bit high. Oh, this is a consolidation. Can I reach the peak again? Oh, this is a consolidation. Then I'll put it here. Hmm. See if you can go again. But if you backtest and kick me out, then I'm fine. At least I don't lose. So this is the trading style I like. After hit momentum, confirm the direction, and I want to make sure. Look at this one. It is like consolidation. But now theoretically it's getting rejection. But who knows if the buyer power is strong enough and sideways here and break to the upside. I'm not gonna get greedy. As long as you can reach this top, then I'll take profit and leave and look for the next entry. It looks like this candle. It looks like this is, I know, this is too early. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, then a 3 minute candle and 5 minute candle will start the next candle. So far, it does not show any reverse pattern. If it is engulfing, show reverse, then I will quit. I will get kicked out and quit. I'm happy with that. But if it gets strong rejection, something this is like consolidation. And if you're trying to recharge and start again, then this is a consolidation. Stretch, consolidate, stretch, something like that. Oh. Almost. Almost kicked me out. Maybe 1 or 2 points, maybe one or two ticks, something. So even no matter how close we trade stop loss, then we just need to leave some buffer. We don't strictly align the lower bound this one. We leave some buffer, and it's just this buffer save us. And maybe now we can wait until our take profit gets triggered. Now we can move a little bit. Here, make sure we have at least 200. Mm-hmm. 5 minute. Yes. Is this consolidation? One more minute. Will it go up? Continue go up? Trigger. Trigger, please. Trigger my stop or take profit. Oh yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. So this ends up to be a consolidation. And we have a clear goal, something here. So it could be stretch. It could be the beginning of big stretch, but we get this line. I mean, we get this line. We get this. And I'm happy with that. And yeah, this could be the beginning of a stretch and could be the beginning of a reversal. So we'll wait a couple more candles and see. This area is sensitive. Not sure. My log is good. 11:30. Oh, I already get 1,667 something. Yeah, it keeps going. Stretch something something. 11:30, 32. So going forward, we see that it's something sideways with up downside and it breaks. So you retest to trend like upper bound and keep going out. We will probably wait for this one, for this. And next that is if it keeps going straight up, that's not a trade for us. That's not for us. Without any retest, we're gonna wait for a retest and upward engulfing as a confirmation signal. Let's see, ES. ES shows the same. Break to the upper. Yeah, this one. Boom, 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 boom. This is very strong. Okay, now it close. It seems like it close above this line. So let's wait for it to retest to ENA line and show engulfing. Or maybe now ENA line catches the upper band trend line. So we'll see. Now it's uptrend confirmed. Just be clear. Okay. Some distance and it reaches the previous support level before it breaking down. So we'll see. Need to wait for the compression of the candle and before we draw a conclusion. But I don't like the last candle is so strong. I like to see some sideway, and somebody just break the sideway so that I know uh the retest starts. I mean, I will do the retest trade. I will not wait for the retest trade here and only do the uptrend because you will never know if this is a liquidity sweep. If it is like only one, two, three, four candle. If it is a liquidity sweep, then it's like sideways liquidity and keep drawing down. And this is not a retest something. It just keep drawing. So while I do this retest trade, I always assume it's uptrend. And when I do the retest, then it's like more cautious, smaller position, and tight, more tight trading style. Be more cautious, essentially, until a flash to the bottom and ends up. This is not a retest. This is like liquidity and something. We'll see. If this continue go up, then we just don't trade. Continue go up, just don't trade. If the retest is ending in one single 5 minute candle, we don't trade. Mm. Mm. A long trade here is very limited. It's very risky because we just enter into the previous support. Potentially, it's gonna be the resistance. So we'll see. I think I will expect some big retest somewhere around here. Even about here. Somewhere around here and retest back here. Keep going. Oh, and if it goes here, then all this long and retest here. This is 0.6. Yeah, that's good. Textbook. Alliance with textbook. Uh-oh. If this is consolidation, stock consolidation, that's very healthy. Sometimes I just want to quit here. Hey, all for today, but I just want to practice my patience. As long as I have some setup, I have some plan. Then wait for my plan, wait for my setup appears. Mm-mm-mm. cannot conclude the reversal stars. This is star and this is reverse, and this way I can conclude the reversal stars here. Okay, consolidation, and we'll see this one. Could be a stretch. Oh, it looks like it is a stretch. Look at 3 minute. Mm-hmm. It is a stretch, and it did not even retest. Wait for the retest. Retest to here. Or the something. Hmm. It's still in the area, so just be patient. Hmm. Pay attention to this line, to this area, retest to this area, retest to this area. Starting from somewhere around here, then I'll go long once the confirmation signal appears. Hmm. Okay, another consolidation candle. That's what I see from ES. Oh, this consolidation appears at this critical resistance, proven resistance. That could probably means the buying momentum keeps decreasing. See here, and if there is some strong, I mean engulfing downward candle, then that's where we can go short. Start to trade the retest. Yeah, this let's call it retest, because at this time we have confirmed this is uptrend. At least for now, it's uptrend, higher high. Oh, what's going on? We'll see here. Looks like ES want to go up, but it still shows, it starts to show some tension. But the last candle is still green. Hmm. Yeah, yes. Let's look at 5 minute ES and while look at 3 minute NQ. It looks like a consolidation, and if it keeps going up, then I'll probably need to quit when it creates a higher high. But my assumption, my hypothesis is that this is the peak, and it starts to reverse to around here. That's 0.6. Out of here is a retest. Oh, will you get us on board? Come on, will you? A little bit. Just noise a little bit. But see, yes. Now lower low. You'll see. Okay, we get on board. Let's see, yes. Oh, it creates a higher high from on 5 minutes, but in 3 minutes, it shows a lower low. It already shows a lower low. Probably realistic, something is set here. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. We just get some ball and start to going lower. So we go short at the highest point going forward before we take profit. That's good, that's good. Hey, yes, we still want to fight back. I don't know. Where is the... Okay, keeps going down. And this is the where the support and theoretically it should retest, but if it does not, I mean, this is realistic. It's not that greedy. I'll see. If it exceeds this one, I will quit. So maybe I will set a stop loss here and stop trading. Let's see this candle. It looks like it want to fight back and it does not even retest ENA 9. God, what's that? Oh, oh, oh. Is it want to go up? Let's see. Yes, 5 minutes. On 3 minutes, still lower low, lower high. Okay, keep going down. Flash to the downside. Okay. Then in this way, I can probably set a trading stop loss here. I'll see. If it close underneath, if this candle close underneath, so I probably need to wait 2 or 3 minutes. Wait for the completion of this 3 minute candle. And we can set the trading stop loss, secure some profit. Okay, yes. Retest, please. Okay. Buy. So this is my trading stop loss. Just cautious because this is like ENA 9, so you can reject. But if you reject and about continue uptrend, then at least I secure some profit. I'll probably go up here. Hey, yes. Yes, want to go back. Oh no, oh no. You wanna kick me out? Yes, get a new candle. Close down. Oh, you're gonna kick me out. So ENA9 performs the defense. Oh yes. Sellers trying to attack again. It's still lower low. Look at yes. Yes, I feel like this is the resistance. But ENA9 performs defense, it looks like. That's what I'm concerned. So the retest could be ending here. Maybe I should take profit. But no, let's see if this candle will be a continual bearish candle and close underneath ENA9. See, ENA9 becomes flat. It's not something like up or something. Look at yes, it's trying to go moving down. Oh, it gets pushed out. So if this close underneath, then I'll trade my stop loss to the upper side of this candle. Yeah, but I need to wait for the compression. Yeah, the resistance, the support is here. Support is here. Come on. Okay, lower low. At least like $200 profit. Let's see if ESN create a lower low. What about NQ5 mini? Oh, NQ5 mini already creates a lower low. So this probably like retest. I mean, wait for a couple more minutes and see. The switch, the reversal is so difficult to trade because the switch controls market control switch is so back and forth, you see. Okay. See if you rebounds. I keep going down. Then I could probably move it to here. Come on, this is just half. That's the point is here. Then maybe I should leave some space. Retest to ENA9. See if ENA9 becomes the new defense. Maybe I should move my take profit somewhere here. because the buying power is strong at this time. It's very intimidating to trade the retest. Okay, yes. ES shows some solid. It closed underneath the sideways range and keeps going down. Okay, this builds some confidence. It bounced back. CES. Almost go short at the peak. That make us some leave distance and minimize the stop loss distance and some profit, secure some profit. Going down here. Come on, support is here. Stretch. You want to stretch? If this is liquidity sweep, cause you outbreak and break down, go straight downward. What's this area? Oh, it's some sideway here. So it can be a retest, the ending of the retest. That's why. Okay, stop. So we'll see. Um, if it goes up, then this is consolidation. It should directly go up. Go along the original direction. But if it bounce back, exceeds here, then this is the reverse setup. So I can move very close to this stop. Even it shows a little bit green. Eventually, it's a stop. So we'll see. Mm-hmm. Okay, now it just finished switching. Now I believe it just finished the stretching, switching. Now seller control the market, and I'm not greedy. Realistic speaking, it just retest the trend line. Trend line around here. This is the trend line. This is a consolidation stretch. Consolidation stretch. Shoot. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's already up above this. I'm not greedy. It can continue, but hmm, I just take profit and leave. I'm happy with 1,000 profit in one trade. Okay, it's already more than 2,500. I'm happy with that. Less than 100 drawdown consumes. Hmm. because I see it gets some rejected around this battle area. Then maybe buyers are still strong. Now this is a very strong buyer something. This is just retest. So we need to be very cautious to trade. See, this could be bounce back, starting bounce back. Oh, it could go down. Okay. Not greedy. It's not good to enter the middle of here. Maybe create a lower low. I will probably make more, but I'm not greedy. Oh, it get rejected. That means my take profit is good. Bounce back. Bounce back here. Because ENA lies ENA 21 and this battle area together and it shows a rejection. I just take profit and leave. I will not conclude that the retest ending here. I will see this candle. Maybe some sideways and going up, then I will trade the down uptrend. We'll see. For now, it's just a retest. It could probably like go down, continue to go down until it's engulfing. And I'll probably put a long order here. 399. Right. See if I don't take profit, my trading stop loss is here. I'm gonna get triggered and kick out. Oh, it's a reversal. If it keeps continue like this, it's gonna be a reversal. We'll see. Wait for the compression. Maybe I need to wait for the compression of a 5 minute. Now we cannot conclude that. We just see that ENA 21 has some resistance, but we cannot conclude that this is the start of the reversal. So we'll see. Maybe I just quit. I just need to quit this something. Every single trade is so intimidating. I already make um very good progress. Almost 3,000. Okay, keeps going down. Okay, deep retest and keep going down. Very healthy. It's not overstretched, something like this. But this is a little bit healthy. See, there's no fair value gap. Very little fair value gap. And this is auto block. But I only expect here. Oh, star. If this reverse, then this is a reversal setup. We'll see. Okay. Buy. And okay, here. Retest is only to ENA 21. On 5 minute, yeah, it's ENA 21. That makes sense. And up above this of this battlefield. We'll see. Wait for the compression of this candle. I think this is a bit standard like reversal pattern. Let me set something and see if we retest to get us on board. Yeah. And stop loss is here. If we exceeds here, then we will probably need to quit the trade. Will you get me on board? Oh, for ES, it covers less than this. It's not engulfing. It's something like this. That's not a good sign. It's like 0.6, around 0.6. So maybe it will continue to go down. But on 30 minutes, it shows a standard reversal. So I don't know. It seems like it continue to go up. I trust this setup, but if it exceeds here, I just quit. Mm-hmm. 2, 5. Oh, if this is a bearish, that means ENI is performing defense. The Dow trend continues. Oh, it is continue. I guess rejected here. Let me see. If it exceeds here, I will quit. CES get defended by ENI. CES. I think the retest is ending here. But I could be wrong because ES has not reached ENA 21, but NQ has already reached both 3 minute chart, 5 minute chart reaches. Let's see. Now it's still sideways. I probably need to quit. Even this is a standard. Let's see 5 minute. It's not standard. It's like sideways. But 3 minute only shows standard reverse something. So going forward, it should going up. It should going up. Mm-hmm. If this ends up to be a bullish candle, that confirms because it gets rejected by ENA line, ENA 21 again. And this one I can talk about take profit. I'll probably set it here as long as it creates an equal high. Let's see 5 minute. Okay, this is if it's a new sideways here, I will not be surprised. Mm-hmm. Sell something here. Hey, hey, you want to test the ENA line how many times? Oh, it does not cover this. This is a good sign. Buyers still control the market. If this engulf and close above here, that means okay, the retest is ending here. But this looks like a sideways. Then maybe I need to set the stop loss somewhere here. Okay, recharge. Keep going up. Great. This is what I expect. Oh, oh, yes, rejected. Close above the sideway. I think 5 minutes just still showing a sideway, but it's like there's a trend line to the upside. Trend line keeps pushing you up. No, to be conservative is something here. Because I'm not sure if it gets rejected again. Here, this is a proven rejection. So just be conservative. Even the momentum is strong. I mean, it can be a strong momentum, and next one just something. So it's probably like to get triggered. The earlier, the better. Oh, you get rejected here. I think you're gonna close. You leave the sideway. Yes, it's still not resolved. Not leave the sideway yet. Let's see. Yes. Let's wait for the compression of this candle. I think you're gonna finish and eventually arrive here. But if this retest to ENA line get rejected, that's fine. But if it outbounce, then probably I need to quit. So probably I need to set a trailing stop loss somewhere here. Now it keeps going up, so I can set the trailing stop loss here. This is buy, so the stop loss is sell. Sell like 10. Okay, this candle looks like still a bullish candle. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Tracing the ENA line. Assuming if you retest the ENA line, I'm happy to get kicked out. That's a little bit risky, but I think this is gonna be this this is gonna be a bullish candle now. Look at yes, it's keep going up. Come on. Mm-mm-mm. Don't be nervous. Just wait. Relax, cause the stop loss and take profit already set. So just let what it is. Relax. Relax. Don't be nervous. And maybe I should put my attention to somewhere else and just let it go. Trust myself. Don't look at the chart at this time because everything is just settled down. Either it triggers my take profit or it triggers my trading stop loss. 1 minute. Oh, look at yes, it gets rejected so much. What's going on? Yes, 1 minute. Okay, it's gonna be a star, I think. If it's star, then we'll look at the next candle. If the next candle continue going up, then this is a consolidation. If otherwise, oh no, it's bearish candle. No, no, going up from here. That's fine. You keep going down and kick me out. Okay, I think I'm gonna get kicked out. Okay, I get kicked out. God damn. Oh, it just stopped to get rejection here. That means I should probably be more conservative. But no, that could make me lose more. Retest to in a 9 and continue go up. No, I will not enter here because it's leaving. I will probably enter here, enter trade here because this is a proven support. But I don't like to trade this market because this looks like a sideway. You can continue up and down, up and down. Order count, no, I just want to see this one. Try. 200. There are 600 profit. I don't take profit. No, no. Uh, only $50. I can reach 3,000. Forget about it. Maybe I should just quit for today. Okay. Let's quit for today. I now regret that I don't take profit because this shows something. I just okay. I maybe the trading stop loss is too aggressive because this is uptrend. So retest when I trade retest, then I cautious a little bit. But when something like this is along the trend. This is aligned with the trend. So I should be more conservative. Like for example, set the trading stop loss somewhere here. Let's see now. ENA Live performs a very nice defense, and if I can take profit, I can take a profit even here, then exceeds 3,000. But anyway, anyway, I don't like this sideways market. See, it's still sideways here. Then after next time I will see this maybe. Maybe not because it's sideways somewhere around here. It's sideways somewhere around here and don't give me any hint and some just continue grow something. So yeah, I will grow up here. Grow, make a higher high. I can make 600. If I set a more torrent, more loose sideways something. But I set a yin and line somewhere here and get triggered. But what if I set here at the upper bound of the sideway, triangle sideway? At least this is now 500 profit. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. 800. I'm gonna trigger my stop loss. I'll trigger take profit. It's gonna trigger my take profit here. Yeah, eventually it will trigger my take profit. Give me order. Keep going up. Okay. Okay. Trigger. Yeah. Is the lesson is just when it's along the trend, then I can probably like lose, be more behave like more confident and only set the trading stop loss somewhere here. And my take profit has nothing wrong. It will eventually get triggered. Who knows? Maybe next time you slash more and I lose more. So here I just um gets kicked out this time. Like one or more kicks, he just kick me out, and it's the lowest point. Maybe I should learn the lesson that leave some buffer. If I think okay, this is the lowest least point you're gonna retest, then leave some buffer. Yeah, learn to leave some buffer for whatever. Now it's like consolidation, stretch, consolidation, and stretch. Keep going up. I'm not gonna trade this market anymore. Um, yeah, it's still like it starts the sideways here, then goes into a sideways trading logic. You see 5 minutes. Don't get fooled by the 3 minute. It's gonna show a lot of patterns here and there. Okay, that's so much for today. Thank you very much. Dangerous. Almost lose 3,000.